Want to double your money and get up to 350 free spins on Mostbet? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to register, claim your bonus, and start playing with real rewards, even if you've never done this before. Step 1. Register your account. Click the official link in the description. Tap Register and choose your method: phone number, one click, or full form. Select your country and preferred currency. Important: enter the promo code SP1N. Without it, your bonus won't be activated. Step 2. Make your first deposit. Choose your payment method: local, bank card, mobile wallet, or crypto. Deposit just to $10 and get up to $23 for free. Add it automatically within minutes. No extra steps, no waiting. Step 3. Install the app and get 100 extra free spins. Most users miss this. Install the official Mostbet Android app and receive 100 more free spins instantly. Download the APK from the official site, install it, and allow unknown sources. If your phone asks, it's 100% safe. Once installed, the app links directly to your account. Reminder: don't share the APK file. If someone else installs it, they can access your account. Always send the official download link, not the file itself. What's next? Now you're ready to play with a boosted balance, up to 350 free spins, and access to even more features like cashback, loyalty rewards, and weekly promos. All inside the